Christopher Lee. I'm the executive chef at Huntington Social in Huntington, New York. Today we're going to be demoing a recipe about sweet potatoes and a Chipotle cream sauce. First of all, we're going to be highlighting our sweet potato. We're going to be cutting it into wedges, kind of like a large steak wedge. No, it's rough cuts. Nothing has to be symmetric or has to look alike or anything of those lines. Just a little rustic look. So we cut into our wedges and place them into a little bowl. A little oil to help roast it. Neutral cooking oil would help. Salt, pepper, a little bit more. Toss. Make sure it's nice and coated. It's going to help us give an even roast in the oven. I'm going to put it on a little dish. And we're going to put it in the oven, a 400-degree oven, for about 15-20 minutes. Meanwhile, as that is cooking, we're going to make the sauce. The sauce is going to be a preparation because it's going to be like more of a dipping sauce. So we're going to use sour cream or a creme fraiche. You can substitute it. And we're going to be using chipotle pepper. Chipotle pepper is a smoked jalapeno. We get kind of pre-smoked, and then they're also stewed, so they're nice and soft. So when we actually put it with a sour cream or a creme fraiche or even a mayonnaise, it makes it into a nice puree. So we're going to take our sour cream, put it into our food processor. This is a big one, but it's a professional kitchen one. A small one doesn't matter. The home ones are perfect. We're going to use a half chipotle because they're really spicy. We're going to add in some honey. Doesn't matter what type, but this is a beautiful clover honey. We're just going to add a little lemon. Lemon juice helps us basically cut through the acid, helps us cut through all the richness from the sour cream and even the richness from the sweet potato itself, because it's very sweet and tender, and that acid will help it just come together. We're going to process it. You can see it's how it's just forming into a beautiful sauce or a dipping sauce. You need a little salt, a little pepper, and voila. Wait till it finishes. We'll take it off. We're going to put it into a little side ramekin. See that beautiful color from the chipotle, and then the sweetness from the honey and the spicy from the chipotle really go well with this dish. So, and we're going to have our sweet potatoes nice and roasted in the wedge form. We're going to just garnish a plate, put a little greens on it, and then we'll just stack these awesome potatoes like that on the plate. Serve it with a little dipping sauce, and voila, we have roasted sweet potatoes with a chipotle cream.